Hello students, so today we will learn about the difference between sorting and filtering in MS Excel. So first of all, what is the use of MS Excel? This MS Excel is used for the calculations. You can find out some maximum, minimum, okay, or average, or you can even divide the numbers also by using this MS Excel software. Okay, now next today's topic is what is the difference between sorting and filtering in MS Excel. So first of all, you can see I have typed some name of the students and some marks of these students. Okay, now you can see these names are not alphabetically. Okay, to sort it according to alphabetically, we will click on this student's name. Okay, now we will go to home, and here is one option, that is sorting and filtering. We will click on it, and here is one option, that is sort A to Z. Okay, you can click on it. Okay, you can see now these names are sorted A to Z. If you want to sort these names Z to A, then you can use Z to A option. Okay, now okay, so same. Okay, now next is what is the use of filtering. Filtering is used for the searching of numbers, names, okay, in your Excel sheet. Okay, you can see if you want to search 91 marks, okay, from this list, you will click on this marks button, you will go to home, okay, and here is sort and filter option, and you will click on this filter button. Okay, when you will click on this filter button, you can see here is one button. Okay, you will click on this, you will select, you will select only those numbers which you want to search. For example, I am clicking on 91. Now I will press OK to see the marks of who got 91 marks. Okay, now if you want to go back, you will click on this button and clear filter from marks. Now if you want to search 75, you will click on this button, you will select only 75. Okay, and click on it, you can search only 75. So this is the method of sorting and filtering. Okay, now what is the difference, what we learn the difference between sorting and filtering. Sorting means in which we can sort the list according to alphabetically, and filtering means in which we can search any number, any name. Okay, so basically filtering is used for the searching. Okay, thank you so much.